After some rain and temperatures in the 50s for some, a winter storm watch has been issued for all of Rhode Island and most of southeastern Massachusetts, excluding the Cape, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket. Some early impacts include moderate snow accumulations. As always, this is very track dependent as to how much snow we see and also if any mixing takes place. It does look like we'll see a plowable snow with slick travel for the Thursday night commute and also lingering into the Friday morning commute as well. Here's a look at the best chance to see plowable snow, and this one looks to be primarily southern New England. We're looking at two storm scenarios. The first one, track A, would bring a stronger storm with more snow and potentially some mixing along the coast. Track B would favor a weaker storm with all snow but lower snowfall totals. Now, let's take a closer look at each track scenario. The first is track A, and as you can see, most areas will start off as snow but switch to a wintry mix. This would actually give us the most snow as the storm would be closer and stronger, especially at the onset when the snow begins. The second is track B. This scenario would give southern New England all snow, but overall the storm would be weaker and further away, thus lowering snowfall totals. As always, you'll want to download the Pinpoint weather app to your phone or tablet for the latest updates on our winter storm. I'm meteorologist Steven Matregrano, 12 News.